All right, let's get real for a second. If you're here, you're probably thinking about creating videos, but don't want to spend hours editing or a ton of money hiring people. You're busy. I get it. So we're diving into two AI video tools, InVideo AI and Pictory AI. I've used them. Um, I've compared them, and I'm going to break it down so you can decide which one's worth your time and money. And hey, check out the links in the description after you've watched this video for a great offer. First up, InVideo. This one's all about speed and ease. You literally just tell it what you want. Let's say you're like, I need a 5-minute video about the top 5 football cities to visit in Europe. Boom. InVideo does the heavy lifting. It spits out a script, adds a voiceover,
Welcome to
grabs some video
Raw
footage,
of
and even throws in
the
subtitles,
Fantasy
all without
Fans.
you touching a video editor. What's cool? You don't need to know anything about video editing. Just type out what you want and it's done. But if you want to tweak things, maybe change a clip, adjust the voiceover, or mess with the text, you can do that too. This tool is made for people who want results fast without all the hassle. Now, let's talk Pictory. This one's for you if you want a bit more control. Maybe you've got a specific script in mind, or you want to make sure every part of your video hits the right note. You start with your script, and Pictory finds the clips, adds the voiceover, and does the subtitles. Pictory's got this cool storyboard layout. You can go scene by scene, making adjustments as you go. It's like having a virtual whiteboard for your video. Yeah, it takes a bit longer than in video, but if you're picky about how things look and sound, this could be your go-to. What about pricing? In Video AI, there's a free plan to get you started. Then there's the plus plan at $25 per month. The max plan is $60 per month if you need more features. And here's a tip. You can save 20% if you pay annually. Pictory AI, their starter plan is $25 per month. The professional plan is $49 per month. If you've got a team, it's $119 per month. Want to save some cash? Pay yearly and save up to 24%. So if you're just dipping your toes in, start with InVideo's free plan or Pictory's starter plan. If you need more features and flexibility, InVideo's max plan or Pictory's professional plan are solid choices. And remember, you can save some bucks by going for the yearly plans. So which tool should you choose? Ease of use. InVideo is perfect if you're looking to get things done quickly. Great for beginners or if you just don't want to waste time. Pictory's better if you like to fine-tune stuff and want more control over the final look. Voiceovers and quality. Both have solid voiceover options. Pictory's got some high-end voices thanks to its deal with 11 Labs. Nice if you care about top-notch audio quality. Speed. InVideo wins on speed, no doubt. You can bang out a video in 20 minutes. Pictory, more like 1 to 2 hours, but that's because you're getting into the nitty-gritty details. Hope this helps you cut through the noise and pick the right tool for your videos. If you like this, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and check out the links in the description after you're done here for a great offer. See you in the next one.